Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to validate CNIC number using JavaScript. First of all, we are going to create a file in HTML. We name it CNIC validate.html. This is a very simple program through which you can actually validate the CNIC quite easily. So what we do here, we define a script type is equals to text/JavaScript, and then we close this script here. Now what we do here, we create a one variable named as a CNIC number is equals to, we want to define the pattern, CNIC number, and this that would be maybe 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this one is 7 or 8. Okay, so we have this CNIC number. Now what we do here, we create one pattern that would actually validate the CNIC. In case the CNIC is not correctly input, then this would actually give the error. So we have a variable CNIC pattern is equal to, in order to define the pattern, we have these forward slashes, and inside these forward slashes we want to define the pattern. In order to define the pattern, first of all we shall give the cap sign. So for the cap sign, which it is actually shift, and then we press the 6 key, and then we want to have a dollar sign. So the cap sign indicates the start of the string, and the dollar sign indicates the end of the string. Okay, now we have the numbers that we want to define. The CNIC will hold numbers from 0 to 9, and any number of the occurrences. For this we apply plus sign, and how many numbers would be in the first slot, that would be 5. Then we have to apply this actually minus sign. Then again we have the pattern, it would be from 0 to 9 only numbers, and any number of occurrences plus. And then how many digits would be allowed, that would be we are restricting to 7. Then minus sign, and the pattern, that would be a digit from 0 to 9, and it would be only 1. So this is how we actually define the pattern of the CNIC. Now what we do here, with the conditional statement, we want to compare whether the given CNIC is actually correct or not. So what we do here, if CNIC underscore pattern dot test with the applied CNIC or provided CNIC underscore number, we say window dot alert correct CNIC. Else, in else condition, window dot alert CNIC is wrong. Now let us see whether this actually correctly works or not. So it says it's a correct CNIC. Now we provide incorrect CNIC. For example, we provide 6 here and then we check whether it is correct or not. It is saying it's wrong, so you have to provide only 5 digits, and we want to provide 1, 2, 3, 4 and provide a any alphabet or any other. So in that case it should also collect the wrong CNIC. So this is how you can actually validate your CNIC quite easily. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you so much.